Hi, I'm Lisa from Pest Notify and welcome to your dashboard. So when you log in with your username and password, this is the screen you're going to get. So what's really great is at the top you have action items. So right here is where you're going to see pest issues, traps that need to be replaced, overdue traps that need to be submitted, or unreadable images. So it's really handy. You can just click right on action needed list, traps due for attention. And here's where if you are a PCO or a manager of an apartment complex, you have this list of things that need to be looked at. You can print this off or, have one of your techs log in or maintenance guys log in, and now they have a list of what needs to be looked at. And you can hand that off to somebody else or take some of that on as your own. So I'm going to go back to dashboard. And here's where you're going to see units, and they're color-coded by red means the most attention, blue means no attention, really. So those are all going to be in your action needed list, but this is an easy way to see, okay, there are 9 units, so a unit would be in like 122 North Main, unit number 1. That apartment might have 4 or 5 traps, but they're just counted as one unit. So okay, there's 9 different properties or 9 different units that have pests. We need to take a look at those. 5 need some sort of action, 106 are delinquent, and then 785 are just good. We don't even have to look at it. Then if you scroll down, this unset just means you haven't set the traps yet. So down at the very bottom, you can see it by traps. So the really cool thing is once someone, whether that's you, your tech, a customer, a tenant, a resident, submits that photo to us, we will process it, but before we process it, it'll be in this section here. So you can be certain that it hasn't disappeared into the World Wide Web. It is here ready for us to take a look at. The other section here is just undeployed traps. That means maybe you just, purchased a case of 144 traps. You've only placed 63 of them. The rest of them will just be listed here as traps that you have but have not yet placed. So you should kind of have an idea of how many you have left. If you have 2 left, you may need to order more, that kind of thing. So this is an overview of the dashboard, and we'll go a little more in depth. There's even more, there's filtering, there's really cool things you can do to suit your needs that we'll go over in more videos.